In this video, I'll show you how to copy on your Brother L2640DW. Let's say I have this page over here and I want to make a copy of it. There's two ways. First of all, if you had a longer document like this, you'll need to use the top document feeder, which means to align your paper, place it facing up with the top part of the document on the left side and glide it over here. But for this example, I just want to make a copy of one page. Therefore, you can place it here, even if you only have one page, or you can use the scanner that is right over here. If you want to use this one, place facing down with the top part of your page on the left side. Align this corner of your paper with this corner of the scanner. Close the lid. On the panel over here, you can press this icon and you'll be able to change a few settings. Therefore, like quality, if you press OK, you can select between auto, text, photo, receipt. Most people will leave it to auto, and I think it does a pretty good job, but if you want to be more precise, you can go ahead. Press the back button. Then if you press the minus button here, you can choose between other settings before making your copy. So over here we had enlarge, reduce, density, two-sided, contrast, and other stuff that you may want to change. If you don't want to fool around these settings, don't worry, you don't have to go through them. Once you have placed your paper there, you can go ahead, and this is the main menu. Simply by pressing the plus and minus button, you can select how many copies you want. You see over here, it goes up every time I press. If you want to make 99 copies, well, this is the maximum. I just want one copy, so I'll select one. And over here, I'll press the green button. The copy will come out here. And here we go. We have a copy of the original document. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.